Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. And today I have a double unboxing, although we'll be showing you only one today and the other one will be on a separate video. So if you want to see what I ended up picking up from Saks, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a like, and without any ado, let's open this. Now this I ended up picking up from Saks. So I bought my backpack during the Saks sale. They have these pretty often, and they had spend $700, get $175 off. Spend $1,000, you get $275 off. And I made it, since this backpack retails for $825, I added the backpack and the other little item, which brought my total to $1,000. So that way I was able to get the $275 off, and the backpack came down to $598. So plus tax. So subscribe to the newsletter and you will be notified when they have these sales, and they have them pretty often. That way you can save money. Plus use Ebates so you could get cash back. At that moment they had 11% cash back on Ebates, so I saved myself a good amount of money. I also clicked on the complimentary gift wrapping. That's why it's nicely wrapped. This little item I picked up. Super cute. On to the exciting part. I'm hoping this is packaged still in its original wrapping. Oh, I don't even know how to get into this. I do not want to mess up the pretty bow. Let me see if I can wiggle this off. Okay, you know what? Forget it. Dun, dun, dun. And I will say this brand, I feel like MCM is not talked about as much as it should be. It's great quality at a good price point. I will say it's very comparable to the Louis Vuitton quality, but at a much lower price point. But the quality of this is amazing. Okay, I believe this is a newer Oh, I hope this. Okay, don't see none of the original packaging on here, which I'm sad because maybe somebody had already bought it and returned it, because usually it'll have the clear plastic somewhere. Oh, I can smell that leather. I mean, it still has the little clear plastic on here, so I'm glad for that. Well, this is the MCM Essentials Backpack, and this one retails for $825. See, it's already like they took off the price. That's why I'm not sure if it was a return or maybe a floor model. Take a look at the inside. Now, I have been wanting this little backpack ever since I saw it. I had seen it on a girl when I went to go get my nails done, and I thought it was super cute. I'm glad it has two straps. It comes with a guitar strap and the regular straps, which they're all removable. Now, if you wanted to, you could just carry it around like this on your arm, on your hand. You could carry it around. Super cute. It's perfect size too, because I could still squeeze in some diapers along with all my stuff. Now, once we get inside here, here is the dust bag. And inside, it comes with one zippered pocket. Inside the zippered pocket, I have the care card and authenticity card and all that. There's these little gel things. I would keep those. Do not throw them away. I just keep them and leave them in there whenever I'm not using it, so it absorbs all the humidity. And one slip pocket here. Pretty good deep size slip pocket. MCM right there. Still has the plastic on here, so that's good. And the color of this backpack is in the cognac color, which is their signature color. So, the only thing I wasn't sure because was the opening and closing. Does it stay pretty? Okay, yeah. So I would just open it up. I guess, I don't know if I pull these individually. I don't know if that would get on my nerves. So I could get in here, but it's still pretty roomy. Let me show you up and close. I mean, it does have this big dent or scratch. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm not sure if it was the way it was packaged. Maybe it'll come out on its own. I will have to see. But you see that right there. I believe this one's leather with coated canvas, if I'm not mistaken. Here's the back. The bottom of the bag has no feet. Here's the side. Other side. And the front. This is super duper cute. One thing I am noticing is on this side of the bag, the leather is super wrinkled. You see all that? And then on the other side, it's pretty smooth. So I don't know if I should exchange this one or should I might be too picky about it. But I mean, it wasn't super cheap either, and I do want one that's in perfect condition. But I see that how it's all wrinkled, and then turn it this way and it's smooth. I mean, maybe it'll eventually get like that, but I don't know. Should I exchange it? Should I just keep it the way it is? So everything else looks just fine. See, here's a good example. See, wrinkly, not wrinkly. You see that? Super smooth. And you can see MCM engraved on the hooks of the strap. Super pretty. Also right there. Right there. The other little hook. And it has MCM all over the strap. And a piece of leather right here. And as far as the shoulder straps go, they are adjustable. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. MCM. So it's a nice option to have 2 straps for it. You could either wear it as a backpack with these 2 shoulders, with these 2 straps, or you could put on the guitar strap and wear it as a crossbody. Now, as far as the measurements go, it's 8.25 inches across, 9 inches in height, and it has a diameter of 4.75 inches. So it's a pretty good size. Now, as far as what fits, first let me show you the back pocket. I have the iPhone 8 Plus, and that fits right about there. I mean, that's good enough for me. Could take it in and out easily. I mean, if I didn't have the pop socket on it, it would be a lot better. But yeah, so that fits in there. It's about there. So that'll hold it up. Then the iPhone, let me see, inside on the slip pocket, it fits as well right there. And on the zippered pocket, it fits that way or straight down. Okay, maybe not straight down. Okay, it won't fit straight across, so maybe you won't want to put it there. So most likely I'll either have it here or in the back pocket. Do the back pocket so I can take it easily in and out. But for now, we're gonna put it there. So in here, I would also put in, let's say, some makeup, full-size wallet. Well, it's not a full size, more like a medium-sized wallet. See, you still got all that room. Because I said I still have an infant who wears diapers, I would need my my diapers and wipies. So let's see how I would get that in there. I'll play a little bit of Tetris here. Okay. So that fits in perfectly along with everything else I had put in there. Throw in a lipstick, maybe some lotion as well, and there's still room, a lot more room in here. My keys. I would also throw in my keys in there. See, and there's still room to spare. Probably throw in some sunglasses. Okay. Pair of sunglasses. This is a pretty big case, bulky case. Let me see. But if I could, it fits. Let me see if I can close it up. I mean, you can leave it open like that, I guess, but let's see. Oh, see, it does close perfectly. Not stretching anything out, so it could hold a lot. So from what you could see, it could hold a lot. Then I took out the sunglasses, but if you're not a mom, obviously you don't need none of this, and you could easily stick in your big old case of sunglasses and still have some room to spare. A lot more room. Maybe even a water bottle fits in there. And just to show you guys, here is a water bottle, size of the bag. And if you wanted to, you could even carry a water bottle in here. Look at that. Close this baby up. No problem. So yeah, like I said, it holds a lot. It's perfect. Now here's a little size comparison between the small Essentials backpack and their I believe this is the MCM Ultramar backpack. I can't remember the exact name, but I'll have a video linked on this one as well, somewhere around here. You could click it. But as you can see, this is a big difference, and exactly why I'm tired of carrying this one around, and I wanted something smaller. And I believe the size of this one is very comparable to the probably either the small or the medium size backpack, the iconic original, the one everybody wants and has, that has the little studs on the side. So yeah, that's the reason why I wanted to downsize to this smaller little baby, and I'm so happy with it. The only thing that's bothering me right now is this, but I'm not sure if I'm being just too picky about it or if it's gonna eventually happen on this side, so I might as well just get over it. But you know, I wanted a brand new one, perfect condition. See, doesn't have that, and I don't know if it'll get worse with time, so I probably just will go in the store and exchange it. Hopefully they'll have one, I'm not sure, or I'll have to wait till they ship me out another one. Now this is what it looks like on me. I am 5'2". Feels really comfortable on my shoulders. I mean, it feels really nice. It's not digging in. This is not digging in or anything. So that feels nice. And then if I wanted to, I'm pretty sure I could just adjust it to go a little bit higher. But for me, that's perfect. So on me, it's perfect. I believe I have it on the third side. So yeah, and if I want to wear it crossbody, I will show you how that works. Crossbody goes. This is what it looks like on me. It's kind of hard to get a good view of this. I'm stuck in a room that's pretty small, so there's not much I can do about a good view here, but that's how it would look crossbody, which is pretty cool. I can wear it that way too. And I'm glad the strap is also adjustable. You can make it higher or lower. But for me, I have it all the way down, and that's perfect since I'm more bigger chested. I need more strap when I wear them crossbody. So yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. If you want to see what else I picked up, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed watching this video, or if this video was helpful in any way or entertaining, please give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And you know I always get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.